Hello friends, welcome back to the iSunshare channel. Today we will learn how to clean your iPhone cache and free up storage. You can learn 4 useful tips here. Tips 1. Free up more space on your iPhone with iDevice Genius. You should have iTunes on your computer. Then go to iSunshare.com and find iDevice Genius. Download and install it on your computer. After that, open the software. And connect the iPhone to your computer. Go to the Fast Cleanup section. Hit the Scan button. After scanning, you can see how much space you can release. Well, you can click the Clean button to free up space. Soon, you can see the successful prompt. Tips to clean browsing data. Now I will choose Safari as an example. Open Settings. Tap Safari. Tap Clear History and Website Data. Then tap Clear History. Soon, the browsing cache is cleaned. Tips 3. Disable background app refresh. Tap Settings. Scroll up and tap General. Tap Background app refresh. You should make sure the background app refresh is off. Tips 4. Erase all contents and settings. Tap Settings. Tap General. Tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Erase all content and settings. Tap Continue. Tap Erase iPhone. OK, you need the passcode to confirm. All right, the iPhone is being erased. You need to set it up as a new iPhone later. That's all for the video. I will see you in the next tutorial.